Do you want to learn how to track text in After Effects so it moves perfectly with your video? I'll show you step by step how to achieve this effect. Stick with me and by the end you'll have perfectly tracked text. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Now let's dive straight in. First, open up After Effects and drag your video onto the timeline to create a new composition. To track text, start by selecting the video layer in the timeline. Then go to the top menu and click Window and make sure the Tracker panel is enabled. You'll see the Tracker panel appear on the right-hand side of your workspace. In the Tracker panel, select Track Motion. This will add a tracking point to your video. In the Composition panel, you'll see a small square with a crosshair inside it. Position this square over a point in the video that has high contrast and remains visible throughout the shot, like a corner or distinct object. Next, click Analyze Forward in the Tracker panel to let After Effects track the selected point frame by frame. You'll see the tracking point move along with the object in your video. When the tracking is complete, you'll need to apply the tracking data. To do this, create a new null object by going to Layer, New, Null Object. In the Tracker panel, click Edit Target. Select your null object and click OK. Finally, click Apply and choose whether to apply the tracking data to the X-axis, Y-axis, or both. Now it's time to add the text. Go to the top toolbar, select Horizontal Type tool, and click in the Composition panel to type your text. Customize the font, size, and color in the Character panel. With the text layer selected in the timeline, make it follow the tracking data by parenting it to the tracked data. To do this, select the text layer, then use the Pick Whip tool icon, the little spiral tool, to drag it onto the video layer with the tracking data. This will link the text to the tracked movement. If the text doesn't align perfectly, adjust its position by selecting the text layer, pressing P on your keyboard to reveal the position property, and then moving it manually. Once everything looks good, preview your work by pressing the spacebar. If the text follows the motion perfectly, you're ready to export your project. And that's it. You now know how to track your text in After Effects. I hope this tutorial has helped.